and welcome back to DIY with Jules. If you want to see how I remade these awesome dressers, stay tuned. So I've already started working on these. You can see the one in the back is already started. These are 70s vintage dressers I found at a secondhand store, and I decided that I wanted to give them a quick revamp and put them into my guest room. I used a paint that I had at home. This is a agreeable gray, it's called, and I decided to add a little bit of black to the paint just to give it a little darker grayer, and this is the color that came out. It's really cool because it actually matches the fireplace that I did earlier. So if I want to change the fireplace into my guest room, I can do that. I am going to be filling a little gap that is on one of the dresser doors with this wood putty. I'm going to be sanding it down with this 220 grit just to make it smooth, and I'm going to be painting it. Now, like I said, I had already started painting and was not going to actually do a video, but I'll be back and show you how it's coming out so far. I painted the handles, the small the drawer handles, in a vintage gold, and then I decided to embellish with some bling. Okay, so I'll see you later. So this is what it looks like after 4 coats of paint, and I went ahead and did a rustoleum clear on the top of both of the dressers just to give it some extra protection. Now, while the dressers are drying, I am going to go in and paint the handles and the little knobs in this rustoleum gold. It gave it a really nice vintage look. And I went on to the drawer that I was fixing, and I painted after I sanded it down. I gave it 1 coat of paint, but you can see the putty right through it, so I decided to give it 1 or 2 coats more, and went on to embellishing with my rhinestone wrap. After I put the wrap on, which looked very nice, I noticed that as the paint was being soaked in on the drawer, it started picking up a darker pigment in the putty. So I'm going to have to go back and excuse me, resand it and repaint this one section of the drawer. But as for the rest of it, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Along with adding the rhinestones to all the grooves of the dresser, I added a little embellishment to all the handles and left the small knobs alone. Now, this is the matching chest that I put in my guest room. And eventually I'll have both of them together. I'm just using the smaller one for my TV in my bedroom. I don't know about you, but they look like anthropology pieces. Yes, they do. Not bad for a little coat of paint and a little bling. That's all for now. Thank you all for stopping by to DIY with Jules. And if you have not yet considered subscribing, please do, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.